Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we'll be discussing the health benefits of shiitake mushrooms.
Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it.
Shiitake mushroom is an edible fungus native to Japan, Korea, and China. Shiitake mushroom is one of the most consumed mushrooms around the world. Shiitake mushroom has been used for culinary and medicinal purposes. Shiitake mushroom is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including selenium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, vitamin D, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, niacin, and folate. Shiitake mushroom contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Shiitake mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, including polysaccharides, terpenoids, and sterols. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body and may help prevent the risk of chronic diseases. Shiitake mushrooms has anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, anti-cholesterol, and antimicrobial properties. Shiitake may also help boost your immunity. Studies have shown that 52 adults aged 21 to 41 years of age who consumed 5 to 10 mushrooms daily for 4 weeks showed that they improved their immunity. After the 4 weeks, their saliva test revealed higher levels of immunoglobulin A, which is an antibody that protects against infection. Blood tests also show lower levels of C-reactive protein, a substance in the blood that rises in response to inflammation. Shiitake mushroom is rich in dietary fiber, which may help promote a healthy digestion. Shiitake mushroom may also help promote heart health. Shiitake mushroom may have anti-cancer effects due to its bioactive compounds content. Shiitake mushrooms may also help protect the liver. Shiitake mushroom may have some side effects, including skin rashes. Shiitake extract may also cause digestive problems and increase sensitivity to sunlight. Shiitake may interact with certain medications. As always, consult with your physician. I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.